Hey everybody, it's Nabeel Mulla with you here again today. Today I'm here to show you this brand new Dyson Lightcycle desk task lamp. Check it out. So the Lightcycle desk lamp is something that Dyson has been working hard on for years now. It's been over 2 years in the making. It's had a team of 90 engineers working on this project, and they've made countless prototypes. Dyson is known for their technology innovation and also their form factor. And this looks like it's going to achieve both of those goals. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, got a nice little paper cut. All right, so we have some unboxing instructions on the inside of the packaging here. Just 4 easy steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. How hard can it be?
Famous last words.
Rather than pull everything out individually like I usually do, I'm just going to tilt it up so you can see what we've got in here, and then we're just going to go ahead and put it together. So this is a really heavy base right here. It weighs a few pounds. All right, this is also shown in picture 1. And there's this piece. The power cord. This is the brick. This is what goes into the lamp. And let me just show you this up close. It looks like some kind of architectural tool. So this is going to be sliding. This is like a film that's going to, when you slide this, it's going to rotate. The plastic wheels, the springs, all the circles, everything looks nice. Nice rounded edges. Take this twist tie off. And then we're going to take the cord. We're going to put it through this plastic piece, like so. Then we're going to put it through this base, which I'll take all this plastic off. All right, so we're going to stick the cord, put it through here. And it's going to plug into the base right there. All right, there it is plugged in. Easy so far.
I don't know if you're doing it right.
And we'll go ahead and screw this on. So once we stick this in here, then we bring this plastic piece along.
I told you this wouldn't work.
Thread it onto the stand. It's a little bit difficult, I have to admit. All right, we're going to keep on trying. I guess that's on. Now I'm going to stick this in here. All right, So don't put the cord in until after you've gotten this screwed together because it's too difficult to do without. And then you take the cord and you put it right through here. It's got a little channel. All right. Seems to be a little bit wobbly. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. Doesn't seem right. Maybe this isn't on tight enough. I guess it's supposed to be like that. Seems odd. All right, so next we're going to unwrap these. Again, easier said than done. They didn't mark where the edges are on this. Okay. We got some blue tape on the top and bottom. Next, we've got a second arm. Get the wrapper off of that, and we'll take the blue tape off as well. Okay, and on the bottom of here, you see this little connector right here? This is going to go and connect onto the top right here. Once again, easier said than done. So this goes like this. Okay. So you see this wheel right here that slides over, which allows you to get this into place. Okay. There we go. And this should snap into place. Or maybe not. Well, it doesn't seem like it snaps into place, but it does seem to stay together. And so here it is. It can rotate up or down, and it can also go in or out. Here's what it looks like. Right here is the light. I don't know why it's so wobbly at the base. Right here, it's so wobbly. That doesn't seem right to me. So I'm not sure if I did something wrong or if it's just wobbly. Perhaps I didn't get the bottom part screwed on correctly. Let me try and fix that.
Try it again, please.
Could be on uneven. Well, as far as I can tell, it's on. And it's still wobbly. That's how you put it together, and that's what it looks like. Here's the rest of the stuff that you get inside the package. You have the Dyson Lightcycle operating manual and a card to activate your warranty. Is the other end of the power cord. Here's what the lamp looks like when it's all assembled and set up and in place. As you can see, it still has the lean going on. I have to think that that's supposed to be like that, but I'm really not sure why. If any of you out there have one of these, let me know if it does it for you too. So when we get in closer, here you can see the symbols for the controls on the side, and underneath you can see the buttons that go with that. Here you can see close to the base, it's got a USB charger. And here are the buttons on the top. This controls whether it's blue light or yellow light, and this right here controls the brightness. Some final thoughts on this thing. I could see someone buying this lamp for two reasons. Number one, if they just love the look of it.
Look, it's glorious!
And price is no barrier. And the second reason is if you really just believe in the technology and you want something that's going to last you 60 years. As far as the 60 years goes, that's a really long time to be married to a product and to a technology. I'm sure sometime in the next 60 years there will be something that comes out that's better than this, more efficient than this. So 60 years, I don't know. I would take that lifespan with a grain of salt. It does have a USB charger on the base or on the stand if you turn it. So that's a plus. Right there. A negative thing about it is you have to watch where you put it, because in order for the light to go closer to the stand, you need to push it back, but you've got wall behind there, then you can only push it back so far. You could turn it and then push it, but then the light might not be directed exactly where you want it either, so that could be an issue. It has a motion sensor on it, which could be good, but I found it to be impractical at my workstation because if I was just sitting typing for a long time, it would just turn off on me. Actually, it doesn't take that long before it turns off, and that's kind of annoying. It doesn't pick up small movements like hand movements or things like that. It does have a feature for if you go away, it'll turn itself on at random times, which is nice. So people may think that you've got someone at home. So really, it's expensive. Hopefully it won't be difficult for you to put together. Hopefully you'll learn from my mistakes. It does wobble, but it does seem to be built well and it turns easily. It has some nice features as far as the light coloring and reducing eye strain. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video.